Welcome to the tutorial of the touchless medical infrared thermometer digital display. The contents of your box will have the digital thermometer as well as the user manual. Two AAA batteries will go in to make the device functional. Positive node will be towards the hinge, and then the opposite for the one further away. In order to power up the device, we're going to click on the trigger, and once we click the trigger, the screen will become active. Then in order to access the function keys, we're going to hold down the set button, and we hold it in, and then we're going to continue to click it as we get to the function that we want. So we have F2, F3, and F4, as well as F1 that it begins on. On the side of the device, we have three buttons. We have our set button, we have our up and our down button, which will allow us to scroll the various functions that we're on the digital display. There's the body on the upper left-hand corner, and then we click on the set button, it moves it up to surface. So depending on whether you're doing an inanimate object or whether you're using the temperature of someone's body. The first function key that you want to go to when you power up your device is the F3 function. In that, we're going to be able to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, our next function that we're going to discuss is function F1. It allows you to calibrate your device so you can determine the proper range of temperatures that you're taking. The way that we do it is that we use a contact thermometer that we'll put under our tongue, take our temperature, and then we'll take a scan of the same person with the touchless thermometer. And if it is off by 0.7 degrees, I'll be able to either go positive or negative against the device function with my up and down buttons once I'm on function 1. This will then allow you to calibrate to the specified temperature for proper readings. The next function we're going to go through is function F2. As you click on F2, it's going to come up with 100.4. That is the default setting for the alarm that will go off on your device to let you know that somebody is at a temperature that is fevered, and per the CDC regulation, they will tell you that the 100.4 is the number that you want to look for. If somebody registers with that temperature, an alarm is going to go off on your device. The final function we're going to discuss is the F4. F4 is your mute button. You will see in the bottom right-hand corner, either there's going to be a speaker that's going to be on, or you will use your up and down button to take it off. So that way, if you want to keep it anonymous as to whether somebody is high fevered, you can do so. So in order to use the device, we're going to put our finger on the trigger. We're going to get to within 1.25 inches to 2 inches of the surface, and we will be taking the surface off the forehead as recommended by the device. And you will see the temperature come up.